Okay, so that's the top of the page. I don't know how to, I don't know what to click to send you a link to let you see it yourself, but that's the top of the page. I'm going to keep the top of the page as it is. This section, I'm going to change the words a little bit. And then after that, it's just going to be buttons all the way down. And when you push a button, it will bring up a video of that product, a 5 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute video of that product. And I'm going to discount the products on this page, similar to what Bobby Nappinger did. Although I talked to her and she's not happy with what she did. She wished she had done less of a discount. Anyway, I'm going to make these either 2 boxes across or 3 boxes across. This is 2 boxes. This is a press release and social covers, and then the blog, and then expose. I'm going to change the order of these. This is 4 boxes across. I think they're too small. So I'm going to make it 3 boxes across instead. I think I'm going to go 3 boxes across all the way. My price list, again, similar to what Bobby had as far as the pricing goes. She did it as, if you spend $100, she's going to give you $200 worth of credit towards other products. So spend 100, get 300. Spend 500, get 1,500. So mine's going to be about the same as far as the discount goes. Although I think I'm going to change the discount before I publish this. So this says we'll pay $2 for every $1 you spend on your first year. So for example, Bright Social, $6.97 is a regular price. You pay $232. We pay $464, and you get the product for a year. So this is the monthly, this is the yearly, and this is the 2/3 discount in this column. So I'm doing videos, then I'm doing the Facebook products, website products, and internet products, and that's it. Um, I might eliminate 1 or 2 of these. I'm trying to just do things that are easy to fulfill and cost me almost nothing to fulfill. Um, I was thinking about citations also, because I can get those off Fiverr very, very inexpensively over there too. I also tried to do it this way, but it just didn't work. I'm just not that good with funnel pages, so I'm struggling with that. But I had it where I was going to put a box like that. What's that bigger for you? I was going to make a box like that, and then a small description. And again, when somebody clicks this, it'll bring up that YouTube video in that spot. So that's it. I bored you enough.